In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MailChimp to your Shopify account. First of all, head to MailChimp. Sign up. We are going to create an account which is able to create a free account right here. Click on sign up for free. Enter your email address, your username, as well as a randomly generated password. Please keep in mind that to not use a password related to you as a person, member of your family, or anything like that. I will take that I don't want to receive any emails, to be honest. So let's sign up. Let's save our password. And our account has been created successfully. We will have to open our Gmail and check it. But in the meantime, head to your Shopify account. Search for apps, recommended apps, Shopify App Store, or directly search Shopify App Store. Now, head here and search MailChimp. You're going to download the first one on the top left corner, as you can see, with the same logo as the website. Click on Add Apps. After that, you'll be greeted with this page. Click on Install App on the top right corner. Keep in mind that the MailChimp will have access to customer and store information, and also edit customer and store information. Click on Install App. After the app has been successfully installed, you are going to be prompted with this. Right here, you're gonna have to actually open some stuff. So before you begin, you must archive, not just pause, any automated welcome emails to prevent redundant welcome messages from being sent to your Shopify customers. Other types of automations will be migrated automatically. So if you have that, I'll recommend you go to settings, you go to basically apps and sale channels, and disable any app that does that in the same sense. So for example, Fulfillment Network does that. I'm going to click remove and disable this. So let's go back here. And the second thing is manager access or higher will be required to configure this integration. Any existing abandoned cart email sequence will not be migrated. So make sure to also delete that. Save time. You can save your existing welcome and abandoned carts as a template right here in the template section. And you'll be good to go. And finally, if you're syncing to existing audience, create a backup. Let's click on continue. Let's create, actually we have an already account right here, so let's create connect. Let's click on connect. Also make sure that you actually verify your email. I'll be back. As you can see, here's what it looks like. So let's click on activate account, and our account will be successfully activated. So let's go back here. Here is the page loading, the account setup, and we will have to fill on some more information. Click on next. I'm going to set a first name, last name, business name, and the phone number is optional. Click on next. This is also optional. Click on next. Can do this stuff. I'm just checking out things right here with this account. None yet. I'm just getting started. And you can also skip this information if you like. Skip your website or put in your Shopify website account. And let's start with this, for example. Click on finish. Click let's go. Go back to your Shopify. Click continue. Click on connect. And then you will be prompted with the connect page. Right here, click on login, and now click on allow. After that, you will be good to go. Your account will be successfully signed in. Choose your audience. I already have an audience set up, and you are going to have to sync the audience if you already have it. So I'm going to click continue to overview, and my audience stats should start right now, and everything is good to go. That was MailChimp. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.